have Dr. Marlin Hoover as a lifelong Illinois resident, owning a large clinical practice in the southwestern suburbs. Dr. Hoover was president of the Illinois Psychological Association in 2001-2002. In the first decade of the 2000s, Dr. Hoover led the IPA's prescriptive authority movement, and I stand on his shoulders. When I took over the reins, it was from his efforts that we then carried forward, and Dr. Hoover became one of our most critical workers, supporters, facilitators of that movement as we were pushing for it in the 2012-2014 time. He's also a resident of New Mexico. He was one of the earliest prescribing psychologists in New Mexico. Currently, Dr. Hoover is an instructor of doctoral clinical psychologists who are studying to obtain prescriptive authority, and so many psychologists, again, in this room have taken his course and have done so well because of that. He's a faculty member of the Southern New Mexico Family Residency at Memorial Medical Center in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and sees patients for psychotherapy. And Dr. Marlin Hoover, if you would speak to us for just a few moments. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I do want to thank you because you did make the bill pass. You got it passed. And I have a couple comments to make about how I ended up in New Mexico. I became convinced that if I had prescriptive authority, I'd be a more persuasive advocate in Illinois. And I then ended up practicing in New Mexico and being invited to join the faculty of the family medicine residency and to train physicians and prescribing psychologists and such. I think it did, in fact, make me a more effective lobbyist when I was asked to do so. But I had always been persuaded that all it took was the truth, and then legislation would pass. And so all you had to do was tell the truth. Tell the truth about the need. Tell the truth about access. Tell the truth about safety. Tell the truth about psychologists. Tell the truth about training. And obviously, that's a necessary condition, but it is not sufficient. And what it takes is the political acumen to build on the basis of truth and to persuade enough people that it is in their interest to be supportive and to let it happen in the face of opposition, substantial, incredible opposition. So because of Beth's not only embracing the truth about who we are and what we need to do, she also mobilized the political acumen and the resources to make it happen. So I'm very, very grateful to her for having made it happen. And it has been a long track. Terry Soder, who's the first licensed psychologist, did training at the Illinois School of Professional